Hello ladies, hello gentlemen, quite frankly. How does it be going? Got my M&S food. I also got a brand new spanking cursor. Look at that boy. Look at that mouse. Purple and blue. Much easier to see, hopefully, in the videos. Because I realised it's kind of hard at the moment. And I also discovered shortcuts.app, which is absolutely insane. Literally do anything. So I made a shortcut for streaming that does all this shit. So I only have to click one button up here. Set up for streaming. Hacky, nice to have you so quickly. I thought I'll just be alone straight away, but right off the bat. Right, this is gonna be probably the last stream ever before I start working on the actual gameplay. A new era of Rethan is about to come. So stay tuned and stay subscribed. Because once we are finished with this review system, which we are basically finished, we just need to clean things up, you know. Delicious taste of Thailand M&S ready meal here. Absolutely delicious. Oh, of course I'm going to still stream. The streaming is going to intensify, if anything. And the video output is going to at least double or triple. I'm going to be making so many more videos, and each video is going to be me making like a character in my game or something. Something fun. Not like some boring code shit. It'll actually be like fun and funny and stupid because I'm making memes. And I'll be taking your guys' suggestions. It's going to be great. But, yeah. Do you like my new mouse cursor? Is it easier to see if you're on mobile? Do you watch on mobile or computer, Hacky? Right, let's get Unity actually up. Wherever it is. We need to change the layout. Yeah, thanks. I thought it would get, you know, give me a bit of uniqueness, branding, you know, separate me from all the other people who just stream their Mac screens with boring old black and white mouse. I'm getting ready for this new generation of Rethan streaming, so, you know, this is part of it. Let's move it all to the right screen. Cool. Cool. What am I eating? It's like noodles and beef. It's called Taste of Thailand. M&S have a bunch of different like countries' foods, which is really nice, and they actually are so good. So I forgot what it's exactly called, but it's like some beef, noodles, and vegetables. And a lovely, it's not really teriyaki sauce, but I don't know what it is. It's not too sweet. Not too salty. What was what? Did I show something? Oh, what, the dog? I don't know what you're talking about. Right. Yeah, this dog is staying with us for a little bit. It's my flatmate's dog from her home in Swiss Cottage. Oh. I hope my... It's not my stream. I hope my stream is doing right. Why did my bitrate go to shit? Is that uploading a video? Okay, it's back. We're back. Right, so what have we got left to do for this final non-gameplay stream? Maybe, actually, no, this is definitely going to be the last non-gameplay stream. Because even though I've got a lot of small bits and pieces to do, I'm probably just not going to stream that, because I'm not going to make a video on it. It'll be faster to do it on my own. and then I can actually start. So I might be AFK for a few days, but I'll be busy setting up the next generation of breathing. Right. So the reporting doesn't work for reviews. When there are multiple reviews, they stack. Okay, let's fix this first. So I'm gonna need to write some reviews. Let's sign out and write another review from a different account. Log out. Level builder, browse published levels. Let's find our little level over here. Play it. Nom 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 ASMR stream. I thought I'd eat it at the beginning while no one has joined my stream. Why is no one joining my stream? It's very quiet today. It's probably because it's at 12:30 at night. I haven't streamed for a few days. Okay, so let's write a review. Hello, Hacky. I need to make a new level called Hacky. Blah, 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 blah. Ooh, I know what I need to do. Only allow at most one line of white space. It's 130 for you, damn. Respecto. What are you doing up so late? Watching me, of course. Right answer. Well done. Can't sleep. Fair enough. Why didn't the leaderboard update leaderboards run yet? Why is it not running? Let's see. Oh, the dogs are crying. Okay, fine, I'll let you out. Dogs. Go, go. Be free. They are free. Now that I'm seeing this hand mouse cursor up close, I never realised how weird it is. It has like a little dent at the bottom. It's kind of weird. Alright. Functions. Schedule task. That's what I want to see. These all failed. What's going on? Huh? Why are they failing? Do I need to deploy? Deploy function app. Let's redeploy the latest changes. Pardon me. Oh. Once this is finished deploying, I'll just run it manually and see if the leaderboards actually update. Because it should be a leaderboard entry for me, and it's not. I hope that's not a bug. Kinda weird to think about how I know what you're doing right now in this moment through my phone. Isn't that insane? Don't we just live in a society? It's actually insane though. We were just born at the right time. This technology has not existed for a long time. It's absolutely mad. What phone do you have? Are you really into phones like I used to be when I was a little teenager? Has it finished deploying? Nope. iPhone 8, ooh, that's old. Ancient. But, to be fair, they change iPhones so little year on year that like it probably still just supports everything and runs perfectly, so. Sucks for Apple. Is it kind of dark? Should I turn on the light? Ah! This fucking wire keeps getting tangled. There, purple light. Vibe. Made it a vibe. Let's increase the exposure. On the way. There we go. Your phone still has a home button. Damn, that's ancient. Actually, no, it's just a square screen. No, that's fine. Tell you what is ancient. The home buttons with the little square on them. It's still deploying. Gosh darn it. In the meantime. See how it's overlapping until I wonder why that is. Thumbnail reviews. Whoa, it's disabled? How? How? Scroll bar, oh, the scroll bar is disabled. Unity layout group not updating, children overlapping. Oh, why is my flatmate calling me? Hello?
Hello, my beautiful mommy. Hello. Oh my god.
Okay, goodbye. I'm in the middle of something, in case you didn't realize. You can literally just walk into my room if you want to talk to me. Nah, this isn't gonna help us. Alright, it is pretty darn hot in here, I'm not gonna lie. If I turn this off. Oh, it's meant to go under. Was that the issue? The content size fitter? Let's see. Level build, no, not level builder. Level info menu. I know, right? They normally all go to sleep quite early, I'm not gonna lie. It's a school night for them, you know. I should have started streaming earlier, but I was just like, you know what, I want to finish this, get it over and done with, so I can actually start with the next phase of Rethan history. You should tell them on the Discord I'm streaming. Let's open the Discord. Oh. Okay, has it finished deploying? An error occurred. Azure. Let's try deploying it again. Does it mess up my my bitrate when I deploy? It's just uploading. It's quite a lot of files to upload. We check when the last time it was updated. Home, meme game, function up. How do you see when it's last deployed? Activity log. Useless. Unreachable. Alright, I'll try again. I'll try again. No harm. Maybe it was a unknown event that was the cause of our issue at hand. Alright, what if I disable this content size fitter? Then what happens? Vertical fit preferred size. What's that actually doing? Scroll rect. Layout group. Turn off the content size fitter. Huh. Oh, I see. Let's take a picture of this layout group and compare it to another layout group. Whoa, that is some pixelated shit right there. Okay, where's another layout group? It'll be in the leaderboards. That's where it'll be. Oh, this uses enhanced scroller. In the level builder. Level builder. Come on, where's the scene here is? I can get used to this new mouse. It's too big. The sacrifices I make for the greater good. Okay, here we go. Scroll area categories. List. Control child size. There we're not, but here we are controlling the width. Ah. Vertical fit min size. Alright. What about the other one? Scroll area items. List. Min size. That's a grid layout group. Alright, I reckon we just go with this. Min size, and we don't control child size. Let's try that. Let's see what happens there. Shall we? Level info. Do I have another skill other than coding? What do you count as a skill? I can kind of play the guitar, learning to play the drums. I can make music in Ableton. I can edit videos in Premiere Pro. I know a bunch of computer software. Photoshop, game development. That's not just coding. But yeah, all my skills are mostly computer based. Or do you mean like a non-computer based skill? I have social skills. That's what I have. Yeah, I got an electric guitar, a bass guitar, an acoustic guitar, and an amp. I played on stream once because I got bored. But it's all the way over there now. CBA. Do you play guitar or any instruments? Layout group. Fit min size. Huh. Oh wait, no, not. Oh my god. Min size. God damn it, what have I done? Okay, layout group. All the children are messed up now. The trumpet, nice. That's quite hard to play. You must have strong lungs. Okay, I don't know what just happened. If I turn off the content size fitter. What is this? Scroller. Its parent is like that. So why can't this be... Here, let me just Oh my gosh. Alright, content size fitter. Like that. Min size. Okay. Is that increase and decrease? Seems to have. And we play. It's not aligned to the top. We want it to be aligned to the top. What were we doing again? We're doing the reviews. So players can write reviews for a level, and we're trying to load them in. So this is the section where the reviews come. Layout group. Yeah, okay, there we go. It's at the top now. So I was just having an issue with the layout when I have multiple reviews, but I might have fixed it. I'm about to test it. No, I did not fix it. That's even more messed up than it is before. It's fucking fucked, bro. Scroller, layout group. Oh, I don't know. Let's look it up. Unity make scrollable list of items. Oh yeah. Let's watch the little video, shall we? Oh, it's an engine guy, I love it. Oh, hold on, you can't hear that. Hey? I can't hear now what's going on.
You okay? And then share the scene.
I can. Can you hear? Yeah, you can. Audio hijack didn't really work. Interesting.
And then we'll try to create one more panel.
Hey, hello, Respect. You're a programmer. Nice. Respect. It's good to know that there's a
change the
programmer. I'm actually doing UI stuff at the moment, but you'll love my streams normally.
It's good and down.
What do you program?
we are going to have it as middle center. Okay, and then we added to layer the element, increase, change, and then resize it.
Unity scrollable list vertical. Scrolling.
Using the
List.
built-in of your image using all your. You're on 3D, so it's okay to work in that. In Unity, our UI element says, and all UI and or you can also use the hotkey T around for now. And like button text port text a little bit. We'll eventually use them a second here. Determine the width and size from the edges. So you go to UI, and this time we'll pick an image, content, and this grid and content size filter. There's two options: horizontal fit and vertical fit. And for vertical fit, we want to set this to preferred because we just spent that time to set up this nice button. And I'm also going to change the anchor of this grid content. So I'm going to click on this box. I'm going to hold Alt, and I'll select this top right one to stretch it. Going back to our button, I'm going to add component and type in layout element. And there's a couple options here. Basically, there's going to be a group, right? And the group's going to have a bunch. And there's a couple options here. Basically, add component and type in to stretch it. Going back to our button, I'm going to add component and type in layout element. Back to our button, and I'll select this top, the anchor of this grid content. So I'm going to click on this box, I'm going to hold Alt, and I'll select this component and type in right, and the group's going to have a bunch of settings, but this layout element says this is going to be a part of that group, and you can specify individual settings here. So I'm going to, for all buttons, toggle preferred height so that we keep the height we set up before, and I'll also toggle flexible width because I want it to match the width of whatever this grid element's going to have. And with that, we can pretty much just drop our
You want to start Python? Oh.
button down on the grid content. On our
What
grid
do you
content, we can
want
add our grouping.
Python.
And the reason
Python.
again, to add the group is because when you start trying to change the size of
Wait, so you're not a programmer if you don't know
the
Python
elements
already?
in your group, it can kind of be a pain. So if you do
Or
at the
do
end,
you
you can configure it
Learn
first.
another language, that's harder.
Anyway, so I'll add a component on our grid again, and this time we'll type in vertical layout group, and you'll see it kind of shifts around. It's okay. The vertical layout group has a bunch of options here, like padding and spacing, and a couple checkboxes. We want to uncheck the child force expand because we want the child to have its existing setup that we did before. And I'm going to change the child alignment from upper left to upper center, just so it's nice and centered. Cool, so what happens now is you can select your button and press Control D to duplicate, and you can actually do this multiple times. And you'll notice that it starts to fill up, obviously, but it's kind of generating these buttons from the center outward, whereas I would like this to generate from the top down. In order to do that, let's change the anchor point of our grid content. So I'm going to click on this and hold.
No help at all, I saw one of my videos on TikTok. Oh, nice. Yeah, a lot of people seem to have come from my TikTok. That's pretty crazy. Do you like GameDev? Are you into GameDev? Yeah, you should subscribe. Highly recommend it. I'm sure you're already subscribed, to be honest, if you came from my TikTok and you just saw one of these live streams. Alright. How does the layout group
Of our grid content.
fill
So I'm going to click on this and hold anchor like this
to
to
the
generate from the
size?
top
How
down.
does he make the
In order to do
layout
outward,
group?
Fill up E to duplicate. Oh, what? Just so it's nice.
Fill
And I'm
to
going
the
to change the
size
child
of the
alignment from upper
children.
left to upper center, just so it's nice. And I'm going to change the child alignment from upper left to upper center that we did before.
He has, what does he have? He has a content size fitter, preferred size. But for us, parent has a, okay, we want preferred size. Parent has a type layout group component. That's not true. Unity parent has type layout group component, even though it doesn't. Oh, thank you for subscribing. My bot is really trying to get us to click the link. Yeah, I don't know why it's all going all out right now. Stream elements now. It's like a next level. Child controls size. What's that called now? I swear it's something else. Use child scale. Left 0. Right 0. Okay. Is that valid? What if we add some stuff? Oh. Did not work. We copy and paste these at runtime. No, that messes it up as well. Okay, so at least we have a quick and easy way to test it. Oh, whoa, I copied and pasted the whole layout group, lol. What is use child scale? Let's look this up. Use child scale. Where the layout group considers the scale of its child elements when sizing out. It's time. I think I need to get the jokes. Oh no. What's my setup? I've just got my M1 Max. M1 Max Mac. Book Pro. 16 inch. Connected to a Dell ultra wide 34 inch. Connected to some shitty monitor on a music stand that's upside down that I bought from Sex. Huh. Why is this happening? What's all that? It doesn't update. I copy and paste these a few times. Well, it updates correctly there. We should allow no new lines actually, because it'll take up too much space and it'll just be spam. Actually, don't allow any new lines. Allow it in the review, but when showing it, just don't show the new lines. Instead, show space. Otherwise, people can't use it. Why do fathers take an extra pair of socks when they go golfing? Why? How did you afford it from YouTube? No, I'm working at a company. I'm a software engineer at the moment. That's Cisco. Kissed it a hole in one. Oh my god. No, not the jokes. Please, no. These aren't jokes. They're horror stories. Right, okay, that did not work in the slightest. Min size, maybe? I just So why isn't this the correct size? The layout group is, well, the first level of review is at the top correctly. The last one, however, is further down than the actual layout group extends. Yeah, which country do you live in? Because it needs to be updated. Unity Force Layout Group Update. Let's see. Nope. Let's copy it, paste it. The layout elements perform the layout rebuild on. I want to look up why layout group not updating after elements added at runtime. Maybe I'll look at the level previews and see how that's done. Because this is... Pardon me. Nigeria. Wow, interesting. min size. We have child constraint, flexible. Maybe we should just use a grid layout. But we need to give it a cell size. Here we go. Welcome to the hell that is layout groups. Alright, my dude. Welcome to the hell that is layout groups. Christ, I am not looking forward to this. You may need to make calls like this. Okay, fine. So as a thing that we actually might need to do. Oh, let me just zoom in a bit. Right. Where are we going to do this? How big should it be? Is that too big? Probably. Oh well. So let's go to the level reviews manager. And when we get level reviews, once that's done, I'm going to return these. And where does that show? Where are we showing the level reviews? Not in the pagination system. Oh, maybe in the pagination system. Clear list, add to list. Here we go. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted to do. Call layout rebuilder dot force rebuild layout immediately. Go to current version. Trying to apply for jobs, but you can find any except for ones in the US. Really? No way, not as a programmer. There's so many jobs as a programmer, everywhere. Looking for jobs but couldn't find any except for the ones in other countries, but only get a remote job or do freelance work on Upwork. You can make a lot of money off that if you're a good programmer. First you must become a good programmer. And to become a good programmer, you must watch my live streams. Force rebuild layout immediately. Need to pass it the list of items, which is a layout group as such. Like that. Okay. Layout rebuilder. Force rebuild layout immediate. What does it need? Layout root dot get component rect transform. There, you happy and you know, clap your hands? Are you actually good at programming or? Whoa! The rainbow of death is so cool when it's a big mouse. Okay, let's see. Did it fix it? Oh! Oh, it looked like it did! We just need to scroll to the top. Do we need to scroll to the top? I don't think so. Level builder, favorite published levels, test 1. Cool, okay, so we just need to call that button. It needs to be scrolled to the top. We need to align it to the top. Level info menu. Save that. Why? Is there something we can do here? Alright. Good night. Have a good sleep. Next time I'll see you, it'll be a lot more fun. Hopefully. Did this fix it? Ah! No, it didn't. Let's see if items scroll to top of layout group Unity set scroll position of scroll rect maybe. I'm sure we can just let's have a variable was empty before equals. Is this how we want to do it? If it was empty before, then we want to scroll to the top because that will be the first page. Where do we call add to list? Probably set list. Pagination system. After it gets the page. Okay, yeah, so if was empty before equals items dot count equals 0. Any advice? I gave you some advice. I said, if you're good at programming, just get just do freelance work on like Upwork or Fiverr. You can make a lot of money on Upwork, more than you can as an actual software engineer. I mean, you have to like manage like your own expenses and like schedule and all that. It's not as easy, but you make more money. And secondly, you can just get a remote job, I think. Actually, it might be hard if you don't have like a visa or whatever. But yeah, definitely do like, if you're good at programming, or make sure you get good at programming, and then do freelance work. Loads of people do that. Very high in demand. Look at Upwork. Or maybe start off on Fiverr if you're not that good at programming, and then once you get good, you can like build up your reputation. Go to Upwork maybe. Yeah, what do you think of that? If it was empty before, then scroll. List of items. Let's give it a reference. Serialize field. Private scroll rect. Scroll rect. Let's just get the reference to the scroll rect. Handle scroll where any change. Is the stream delay quite bad because you're all the way in Nigeria? Scroll rect top position. Vertical equals 0. I think that's right, because in the handle, oh, 1 is the top. Okay, let's just set it to 1. How can you work on Fiverr? I think anyone can just sign up to Fiverr. It doesn't require anything strictly, but people won't want to use your services. Like they look through and see who they want to choose. So at first you're gonna have to like work quite cheap and get like 5-star reviews, But like, to be fair, I think the exchange rate from like dollars to Nigerian currency is pretty good, so you make quite a lot of money because they're paying in like US currency. But yeah, anyone can work on Fiverr. Look up the process of doing that. But you have to be good at programming. No one's gonna want like someone who doesn't know what they're doing. Or you'll get like 1-star reviews and then no one will wanna use you. Oh, not set to instance. That's alright. Level previews. Scroll area. Where do we use this? Pagination system. It's just use level previews and level reviews. Okay, that should be good then. So here in level reviews, I'll give it the scroller. Okay, should be better. No worries, glad I could help. Programming is a great career. Have you ever considered moving out the country? That didn't work. Okay. Maybe I need to do it before calling force rebuild. We'll put this afterwards. Is there like a setter function? I might have to wait like a second or two. We'll see what happens here. How good would you say you are at programming? Oh, that didn't work. Okay, let's just do an enumerator. Wait, what if we do it before and after? Let's just see if that helps. Before and after. Whew, love it. No. I think it needs to wait a few frames. Let's just see what happens if we wait a few frames. Let's make an enumerator. Set scroller after delay. Then yield, return, new. Wait for end of frame maybe? Let's try that. We'll start with this and then we'll like strip it down. See to the bare essentials. Start coroutine, that. Right, let's try this again. Nice, that scroll to the top. We did need to just wait. So I want to see, do we need this? Who knows? Whoa, look at that. I'm painting with pixels. I mean, what else am I painting with, Ethan? It's a computer. I'll have you know, young man, you rude child. Okay, yeah, so we didn't need the second one. Okay. So, yeah, that's good. So, I guess we can commit. Fixed. Scroll rect. For reviews. Why did I have an exclamation mark? Am I gay? No, I am not. And there we go, I got cancelled. Way, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Record speed cancellation before I even get famous. Woohoo! I wonder if I'll include that in the final video. Maybe I will. You never know. Cool. Okay. So, remove new lines from string C#. What is /T? Place new lines with a double space, maybe. Cool. In the level review, we will just init the review text equal to this. System.regex, what do we need? This is underscore. Do we need to use using system, is it .text maybe? Nope. C# regex, what namespace is in? Text.regular expressions, of course. Of course it is. Regular expressions. Go on, load. Huh? Oh, because it's a typo. Regex. Double space. And let's just link the Trello card to this. I can't believe I'm literally talking to no one. Is anyone watching? Or am I talking to myself? It says I've got one viewer. Maybe that's just to keep me motivated. I actually don't think anyone's watching. Terrifying. Terrible shame. One day I'll have loads of people watching me. And then you'll see. It's kind of hot in here. Turn on the fan. Alright. Let's see. Has it replaced all the new lines? Nice! With double space. Oh. The reviews should probably be aligned. Actually, maybe to the bottom. If there are only two. Yeah. How do I do that? If I align it here to the bottom. That's probably how it's done. And then if I spawn loads, then yeah, that happens. Okay. I'll just do that then. Like that. Oh, but then it'll start at the... No, because it's loading top to bottom. Yeah, no, we're just going to have to do it like this. That's alright, though. That's just fine. Hey, you are here. Oh, thank you. Are you watching what I'm doing, or are you just... am I on in the background? Have you seen my other videos, by the way? Have you watched my YouTube videos? Oh, I know it wasn't scrolling to the top. Because it was aligned to the center. I think level previews, the list is aligned to the top. That was it. That was literally it. We don't need to do any of this shit. At least we've got it committed in case we do need to go back to it. So let's go back. Let's go to the pagination system. How big is the delay for you? Respect. Okay, let's get rid of this. Now we don't need it. You've watched some. Nice. Which ones did you watch? What did you think of them? Too fast? Too slow? Arkan! Hey, my shorts are good. Thank you, I appreciate it. Someone on stream to talk to as well. Have you seen my long form videos though? I feel like they're better. Especially my video, the making of my level builder game. That is a hell of a video. It took me so long to make. But it's good, it's worth it. Okay, let's see now if it will scroll to the top now that we've changed the alignment. That's what I like to see. Very educative. Keep up the good works. Thank you, thank you. Pat myself on the back here. So the reviews are showing nicely. Play the level before writing a review. Oh, we're logged in as look at this dude. So yeah. Let's just play the level so we can write a review. Do you know the way? Boom. I'll give it a thumbs up. Hello, Respect and Arcan. Thanks for joining the stream. Is this the same font size as in the level info page? Oh yeah, the leaderboards weren't working. I don't think it is. Or maybe it is, it's just the review box is a lot bigger. Actually, yeah, the review box takes up like that much space. Yeah, I think it's the same size. Maybe I should make it a bit smaller, to be honest. At least here on this page. Right, review. Yeah, let's make the text a little bit smaller. Point size 20. Like that. And we could also probably make the placeholder a bit smaller as well. Let's change the text. We changed the right thing. Yeah, we did. Favorite one when I listed 5 apps so you can make programming easier on TikTok. Oh, which one was that? What were the apps I said? VS Code extensions? Forgot. Man thinks he's better than me. Nah, rude boy, shut up. Mention my name in your tweets. Might be a bit small. I'll make it 23. Yeah, 23 is probably good. 23. Did I already rename text field input settings? I'll just keep it same name. I can't be fucked to change the name of the script and change all the references everywhere. It's not worth it. Alright. So on the win screen, I'm gonna fix leaderboards in a second, but did I overwrite the text size? No, it's the right size. Okay, so leaderboards, right? Did it deploy? An error has occurred. Check the output window for more details. Output, what does it say here? Why isn't it letting me deploy? The username or password is incorrect. How do I log out? I'll look this up. VS Code, the username or password is incorrect. Azure, of course. There is happens if you delete or regenerate the keys for the storage account associated with the function app. The one defined in web content blah 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 blah. Have I got that anywhere? In my... Hold on. Local settings. Oh, maybe it's I regenerated. Log out of... Have any of you used Azure before? Arcan, can you code? Are you still here? Log out of Azure and... here, VS Code. Azure sign out. Lovely. It's in the command palette. Azure sign out. And then sign into Azure. Copy and open. Code. Nice. Because they let me read it, just to let me write it. Okay, let's try deploying it yet again. Another one. Another one. Oh my god, it's 1:30 already. Christ. We adjust the old mic every once in a while, you know? Microphone. And in the meantime, let's reorganize the Trello. One more. Yep, that's done. Done. This I'll do later. Reporting doesn't work for reviews. Oh yeah, we need to do the reporting. We'll make a little thing for fix the why aren't there any entries in the leaderboard. I think it's because Azure functions haven't deployed in a minute. In a minute, fam. And let's just make sure that that is the reason why we're checking this failed. Can we go and check update leaderboards? Monitor. Load. Success. What? When did it last succeed? 9th of September. Bruv. That's been a while. Update leaderboards. That's kind of sus. Why is that happening? Okay. Well, we'll see if it still happens after we've deployed. But I don't know if that is the issue. I'm not gonna lie. In the meantime, we can work on the reports for the thingies. So the secondary ID is what we need to give it. So report request, target parent ID, yeah. And then in the report thing here, collection, instead of being a string, it should just be a actual collection, which is a collection reference. Collection reference collection equals this, basically, essentially. We'll just copy this, paste it, and for this it'll be .document. The document will be the or something, and then it'll be a collection constants.firestore.reviews collection. User should be users collection. So the reviews are in the levels collection, then the publish level ID. Do we have the publish level ID? Oh, the target ID. It'll be the target parent ID. Target parent ID. And boom. And then it'll just use the collection and then continue. Okay, does not exist. Oh, because I gotta pass it in. We'll give it that. Did I need to separate it out into a separate function? Probably not. But you know, it's already done. What's done is done is done. And what's this? Collection. We need to change that just to collection. Existing report. Update. So we get the existing report. If there's more than one. Oh, what? Okay, let's quickly just finish this. I think this will work. The reporting. Collection. What's this? Add async. If the existing report count is greater or equal to 1, let me just update. Oh, where the reporter user ID equals the reporter user ID, and where the reason is the same. So a user can report for different reasons, but only at most once for each different reason. So otherwise, we'll just create a new one, I believe. Add, yeah, nice. And here, update field transaction. Oh, we increment it. Updates to doc. Updates to doc is literally just increments it. Review doc. So user level data. I can be reported. We need to conform to this. I can be reported. Needs these two. Just paste it. Go to the beginning of the line. Public. Like that. Oh wait, this is user level data. We need the user level data doc. I'm an idiot. Where is it? Here. I can be reported. I love that name. It just works. I think this is correct. And then we just add the Firestore property to each one. Is that right? Well, for the user data model, for the user doc, yeah, we just added the num reports, total num reports. So yeah, I don't see why this is incorrect. So you go back to the report system, update the user level data, user level data doc. Target doc ref, which is literally just the collection, the document target ID, and target ID is just the. Wait a minute. Target doc ref. Collection. Reviews. Wait, the reviews collection. We don't have a reviews collection. It don't exist, mate. It's the user level, it's the user data collection. That's it. And then it'll have a bunch of documents, user IDs, target ID. Yeah, that makes sense. Test it out. Oh, look, someone is. Hello, Mr. Blocks. How's it going? How do you do? Sorry, I missed your message at 1:38. I was just in the zone, and now I'm out of the zone because my Azure function isn't being deployed. Exception, exception, exception. Oh, not again. What if I clear this? Clear output. So we know we're starting from scratch, because I don't know which one belongs to which. And then I shall deploy. If it loads, there we go. Alright, so let's quit the local running server so that we can boot it back up again and test out the report system for reviews. Oh, exciting. Main menu. Oh, actually, have I even hooked up the level info menu? Have I even hooked up the report system for the reviews? Report review UI.
Ow.
Oh. I see why, Lou. Hello. I literally love you. Thank you for subscribing. I don't even know if you're watching my live stream, but thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. Report manager. Have we done it? Oh yeah, we probably haven't done it because there's like a bunch of stuff we have to do. Report review reason. Dot reports. Target ID. Report. Oh, I haven't added the target parent ID yet to the client. I gotta do that. Target parent ID here. Then we'll put that here. This equals if the report target. What is the report target types? Here, if the report target equals report target type dot review, then so only if it's a review then do we pass it the published level ID. which I don't know how we're gonna get. Submit report. Handle submit report click. Do we have like a thing to initialize it? Report target ID. Where does this get set? How does that get set? Level review. Oh, we have a reference to it and we just set it. We'll have another reference to the report. Report target parent ID. Default it to null, of course. We don't even need to do this null check. We can just straight up just do that, because it'll be null for everything that doesn't set it. And in the level review manager, report review manager. We haven't done anything with it yet, so I guess we need to handle submit report click. No, when do we set these? Oh, we do it in level review. Handle report click. Init. Oh, okay, so normally it happens in init. But here it happens, in the level review it happens when we click it. Oh yeah, because, okay, fair enough. We can just do report review manager dot report parent ID equals user dot public. No, do we have the published ID? Published. No, we don't. Lovely. Oh. We're gonna have to pass it the string published level ID. Then set it private string published level ID. Underscore, of course. Then we're gonna have to set the level review dot that equals published level ID, and now we have access to it, so we can just do that. Cool. And then when we create it, that's gonna have thrown an error somewhere here. Level reviews pagination item. Level review data. It needs a public string published level ID. Where else do we use this bad boy? Oh. Ah. No, this is for the request, I believe. Get level reviews res. Yeah, like we can just pass it in, to be honest. String published level ID as such, and we'll just paste that in here. Oh, no, we can't do that. No, we're gonna have to just give it here because this is an abstract method. Item dot publish level ID, and now we're gonna have to, where we use this, we're gonna have to give it the publish level ID here. Not a big deal at all. Publish level ID equals published. Where else do we use the publish level ID? Published level ID. Nice. Easy peasy clap-a-easy. Okay, username or password is incorrect. So, okay, that's interesting. This should work now. I'm gonna just move this to the other screen because I don't want people to see my passwords, just in case I have to open them. VS code, username or password is incorrect. Visual. Is it the blob storage connection string? Surely not. Whoa. View always show bookmarks bar. Yes, please. Why did that just hide it? I don't know. Blob. Blub. Where to get blob storage connection string from? Where do you do it? Oh, so much. Gosh darn DevOps. I'm gonna sneeze. I feel it coming. Woohoo! Man, luckily I have a compressor. Oh. Settings. You count. Been kind of sick for the past couple days. Is there like an I am? Access keys. Just put that here for a sec. No, that's the right one. Timeline. File saved. That is so weird. Does it need updating? Is your functions? What is going on here? Okay, to be fair, I can fix this afterwards. let's just finish this gosh darn review so I don't have to stream this anymore, and we're done. So suck my dick. Okay, let's try reporting a review. Will it work? Should I stay or should I go? Let's report my own review for inappropriate. Mr. Blocks. Report. Successfully reported. Interesting. It worked straight off. That doesn't normally happen. What level are we on? Well, there's only one level. User data. Ooh, user data. Let's go to my one. Reports. Oh, looks like it's there. Inappropriate review. Okay, can I update it to Mr. Blocks 2 or 1.1? I don't know. Nice. If I report it for now a different reason. 68. Ooh, spicy. Nice, it creates a new one as expected. Num reports. That's all correct. It does do it in a transaction, right? Nice, okay, it works. It actually works. First time the report system works. Hey, you're actually watching me. Yeah, Mr. Blocks, I'm gonna report you again. That's right. Get reported. Successfully reported. Bada bing, bada boom. You are now in the report system. Twice. Here and here. You've been banned. Sorry, mate. That's just how it is. It's just life. That's what all the people say. Oh, okay, you're still here as well. Why are you all here making me think like I'm just on my own? But you're actually just like, you're here. You're just not necessarily paying attention the whole time. I need to understand that. This is what streaming is about. People don't necessarily just like constantly watch you. They just have you in the background. You like my vids? Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Which is your favorite vid? Do you like my old style vids or my new style vids better? Where I'm like stream highlights basically. Let me just commit. Reporting reviews works. Nice. Sync changes. I just want to, for peace of mind, make sure that my transaction is correct. We get the snapshot. We convert it and then we update it with the updates to the document, which is simply just adding one. Everything here is local. Beautiful. Beautiful. All of them. Editing is good. Thank you. I'm trying to improve. Every video I make, I'm trying to make slightly better. That's why I made the mouse so big, for example, so you can see where I am more easily. And I'm trying to like get more of a story going in my videos, so you can follow along as opposed to just being random stream highlights. I actually have to like pay attention to like what's relevant and what's not. It's an art form, to be honest. It's very hard. Something you can't really hire an editor to do, which is kind of annoying, but it's not that hard anyway. I can just do it myself. And I actually like editing. I like all the. You didn't notice the mouse? Thanks for pointing out. But you thought my mouse was always like this, massive purple. I think this is the best color, to be honest. It's my most favorite color. It's my most favorite. That wasn't even English. But yeah. It's a bit harder to use, but I'll get used to it. The reporting doesn't work for reviews? Yes, it does. Reporting complete. Test reporting of reviews? Already tested. Let's see. Test reviews with multiple fake reviews. Oh, I think we've done that. Test paging of reviews. I deserve more subs. Thank you. Yes, I do. So, we need an install function to get reviews. Done. Scroll shall have a different emoji. I'll do it my own time. Oh. Calculate the ratio of reports here. This. Add is review banned field to server data and only get reviews where it's banned as false. No, we're not doing that. Forcing of reviews. Done. Please click send, disable the send button, set the local loading state of the existing reviews to loading. Done. Oh. After we send a review, we should fetch the reviews again. Should we get the first page? Yeah, now just fetch the reviews again. What? What? What is what? Set tooltip. Do that. Alright, I think we've done it. I think we've done the review system. I can do some other small bits and pieces here and there later, to be honest. But, yeah. Fellas, this is the last stream ever before I start streaming actual gameplay, making games, which is a big step in Rethan history. That's when the videos are going to start churning out. Why fetch after? Oh, because we want the we want to show the user's review they just wrote at the top, and it won't automatically do that, so we'll just fetch it. I mean, we could be efficient and, like, you know, try and insert it there without fetching it all, but, like, you know, if the user didn't have a review before and now they do, then, to be honest, we don't even need to do that. We can just I mean, we could just, like, try and manually insert it at the top. We could just locally insert it at the top. Might be effort, though. What would that involve? Pinged back. Well, that wouldn't really help. Like, it's more about the because, like, we have the review, like, locally, so it's more about, like, the scroll with all the reviews. Like, if we call the function to just fetch the reviews again, it'll just automatically update that. But, like, yeah, that is a bit lazy of me not to bother just inserting it at the top, because that would also mean getting rid of all the currently showing reviews and resetting it to the first page of reviews. And if they've already scrolled loads, that might be, I think it's worth it though, so we don't reset. Yeah, it's not efficient at all. It's just me being lazy. But yeah, because you pointed it out, I will fix it. Thanks for motivating me. I think it's worth it. All we have to do is remove the review, if the existing review from the list, and then insert it at the top. That's it. Oh, it's not about being a slow device. It's just inefficient. If it exists. Yeah, this is like more like a network request, so it's about internet speed as opposed to slowness of device. Alright. I'm gonna call it a day. I wanna go to sleep. And we've got the review system working. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what, I'm gonna do like a little outro here. So I have now pretty much finished all of the big features I wanted to add to Meme Game before starting working on the actual gameplay and the characters. So this is the last stream of this kind. From now on, streams and videos that I make are going to be much more fun to watch. They're going to be me making actual gameplay characters instead of just programming random UI elements and shit like that. So here's to a new chapter of Wreathen history. Let's see how it goes. It is major. It's huge. You two are the only ones who are here to witness this event happening. Remember that. Arcan and Mr. Blocks. You're here to witness it. Yeah, this is all backbone. That's a good way to put it. Backbone foundational. Yeah, you just got lucky. You happen to be here on this Thursday morning, 2:06 a.m. YouTube recommended blessed you. Yes, hopefully they will bless the hearts and souls of millions of others around the world. We'll see about that. Alright, fellas. I think I'm going to call it a day. Thank you for keeping me company here. 8:05. Oh, where are you? Are you in America? Canada. Ooh, I was just in Canada, actually. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I was in Halifax. I actually have a Canadian passport. Yeah. Dual citizenship. Pretty lit. But, yeah. That's a story for another day. Manitoba. Nice. 906 US. Oh, both of you US. Oh, that's why it's recommending me to US peeps. Or North American peeps. Because it's literally like 2 in the morning here. No one in Europe's going to be online and watching, and YouTube felt sorry for me, so it's like let's start recommending him to anyone we possibly can who'd click on the video. Alright, I need to go to bed. I have work in the morning. Thank you guys for watching. It's been real. I'll see you on the other side.